To create a difference report in Synkronizer is actually very easy and fast. For our example, I have opened already two workbooks, and the worksheet names are identical, so Synkronizer has matched them already automatically. And with this we are already good to start. Click on the Start icon to compare the two worksheets. And here are our results. Now you can either update the worksheets through the main interface, or you can create a difference report. Click on the drop-down menu, and you have the choice between no report, which is the default setting, a standard report as a workbook, or a hyperlinked report. Click on the standard report, and it is instantly created. It shows you a summary of the compared workbooks and worksheets. You can enter your name, the settings up here, which sheets have been compared, and then difference type by difference type, it shows you the detailed differences. To make navigation even easier, you can collapse part of the report by clicking on the minus or on the plus. If you like to have a hyperlinked report, also click on the drop-down menu, select Hyperlink Report, and it is also automatically generated. The advantage of a hyperlinked report is that you can click on any difference and it jumps right away to the correct difference in the worksheet. So you can either update it manually or again through the interface. That's it, how to generate a difference report. Thank you for watching.